We are given a double integral over the domain R, and the function above the domain or somewhere it is f of xy dA. So dA is the area of this triangle, which can be written as a differential dy dx. So the limit, if you see from a to b, which is for x, and c to d for y. So we need to see the equation of the line, the slant line you see there. So if you consider the points -2, 4, and 2, -2, then you find your slope, which is y2 minus y1. That gives me -2 minus 4 over x2 is 2, 2 minus -2. That gives me finally -6 over 4. And the simplified of that version is -3 over 2. And as you see from the picture, y-intercept is 1. So then I can write the equation of the slant line as y equals -3/2 x plus 1. Now, if you go back to the integral, see the limits a to b are going for x. So those should be constants. So look at here. So this is the x limit that goes from -2 to +2. So you can write here -2 to +2. Now what happens to y? Y goes now in this direction. So it starts at -2 and then goes to the line. So that line has equation -3/2 x plus 1. So we are done for this part. So our second part is now we want to change the limit. As you see here, you have dy dx. Now we are writing dx dy. So we switch limit. So when you look at y outside, so the y limit now you can see from here, which is -2 to 4. So -2 to 4, that's your y limit. Now what we'll be doing, I need to find now my x goes like this. So x goes from -2 to the line. So I need to see what is my x from here. So you can multiply both sides by 2. You get 2y equals -3x plus 2. You're multiplying by 2. So then 3x will be 2 minus 2y, and then your x will be divided by 3. So that limit now goes here, which is 2 minus 2y over 3. And we are done. How to change limit we have seen. In my next example, I will go with the domain. That domain will be given with the integrals, not with the picture. And then you will draw the picture, and from there you change limit and write integration in another way. Thanks.